You cast your ballot, you may need to prove you're a citizen. Good evening and thank you for being with us. East Texas State Senator Bryan Hughes has filed a bill that would require proof of citizenship to register to vote. As KLTV7's Michael Richardson reports, it's one of the lieutenant governor's top priorities this session.
Senate Bill 16 would require proof of citizenship to register to vote in Texas. Under state law, illegally registering yourself or someone else to vote is punishable by possible jail time.
We are not waiting on Washington. We can fix this locally.
The bill's author, Senator Bryan Hughes, wants to bring the requirements to register to vote in line with getting a driver's license.
We know that one non-citizen voting in an election is a problem. That cancels out the vote of a citizen.
Last year, Secretary of State Jane Nelson recorded 63 voter registration cancellations for non-citizenship. The same year when over 11 million votes were cast for the presidential election in Texas.
It's really not going to address a real problem that Texas faces right now.
Immigration attorney Belinda Arroyo says the bill would impact all Texans.
I think that it will particularly impact those who are living kind of below the margins. In other words, those who can't afford to get their passport in order to prove their citizenship, maybe don't have access or regular access to going to get a certified birth record.
At a public hearing last week, individuals spoke up for the proposed law.
This bill is a necessary step in protecting the integrity of Texas elections by ensuring that only U.S. citizens are eligible to register and vote.
They also spoke against Senate Bill 16.
What it will do, however, is impose a significant and unnecessary burden on eligible voters. Many Texans simply do not have a passport or birth certificate on hand.
The bill is currently pending in committee. Michael Richardson, KLTV7 News.
Bill 16 has 20 co-authors. If all were to vote yes, the proposed legislation would pass the Senate and make its way to the Texas House.